Alright, what's going on? I know it's been a long time since I've posted one of these types of videos, but I want to go ahead and show you guys a process or progress of what's going on. So in this area, this is where we're going to have our guest suite. So it's going to be an additional bedroom and bathroom. It's going to be a really good size. And where you see these green outlines here, that's actually where the outline of the closet is going to be. The bathroom, so you got your vanity there, toilet, and the tub right over there. And it's going to be walled off. On the opposite side, that's where the dining room is going to be. All right, now coming in here, you're going into the really great size living room. This is a really good size here, man. I love the ceilings, how it's slanted. It has the beams that's exposed there. We're going to have a mantle here, and it's going to have an electric fireplace. We're going to have a really good size ceiling fan right there. Now coming into the kitchen, we're going to have an island right here. All right, and we added a pantry, so it's going to be a really nice walk-in pantry. We're going to have shelves on both sides, so this is going to be the deeper side here, and then we're going to have the shorter side here, but they'll definitely be able to have a lot of storage here. We'll have our granite or quartz countertop going all the way down, and the refrigerator is going to be right here. All right, now working our way here. So something that's interesting about this house, it's a 1950s home. So we have all of this brick that's in here. So it's this nice 1950s brick. I was considering covering this, but I'm like, this adds a lot of personality to the laundry room. So I'll go ahead and leave this the way that it is. I'll clean it up a little bit, make it look fresh. But this is going to be a really large laundry room. So we're going to have we got all the connections here, but this is just going to be a ton of space. So we'll determine if we're going to have shelving or anything out here or add some cabinets, but for the most part, they'll have tons of space to do whatever it is that they need to do in here. All right, now coming and seeing this from a different angle, I mean, this is just going to be a beautiful space. And I know I showed you from the other angle, but this is pretty much going to be the dining room. So we're going to have our light fixture coming right down in the middle. All right, and I mean, I get excited about looking at stuff like this, man. It's going to be a beautiful project. I know I'm sweating a little bit in my back. And now this is going to be the hallway, of course. You guys already saw the rooms from before. So we have this bedroom, the other bedroom I already showed. So that's bedroom number 2. This is number 3. This is bathroom 2, right? And then this is the 4th room here. And like I said, man, this is a massive master bedroom. And let me just go in the corner so you can kind of get the magnitude of how large this room is. I mean, this is amazing, right? And this right here is the wall of that shower, right? So it's a walk-in shower. Now I'm trying to determine if I'm going to utilize this space right here as a closet to open up and make this to where you would put your towels. But this is where the double vanity is going to be, and this is where the toilet is going to be. Now this right here is where the shower is going to begin. It's going to be a very large walk-in shower, and I'm trying to determine if I'm going to have it stop here, right, which would still be a really good size walk-in shower, and basically utilize this cup area here as the closet. So that way I could just have, some empty space over there. Maybe they could put like a medicine cabinet or something over there. Or should I just make this one massive walk-in shower, and maybe even consider doing like a double shower head, right? One over here, and just having, one single drain or 2 drains. But whatever it is, I'm going to make that decision by tomorrow. But this home is going to be absolutely beautiful. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and put it in the comment section. Other than that, follow along on the journey. I'll see y'all.